video. Let's roll the fruit into this video. Hey, before we roll the fruit, let's do a ritual to get a mythical fruit. Apparently, this is day one of getting Kitsune. Dragon Turtle X. That. Let's see, what do we get? I. We got, oh my god. Dang, no. Alright. Okay, day one, we got flame fruit. Alright, this is okay because we have more money. See y'all later. See y'all later, guys.